Vice President General retired Dr. Constantino Chiwenga has officially sent off 4 newly appointed ambassadors as they prepare to take up their diplomatic postings abroad. Sarapina mashoko kudanyo kwachiti VP Chiwenga sends off former CIO boss new invoice. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mzimu aya kudanyira chiti. The invoice, former CIO Director General Isaac Moyo, David Amadziripi and Love Mo Mazemo have been assigned to South Africa, the United Arab Emirates, Cuba, and the United States of America respectively. The diplomats paid a courtesy call on Vice President Constantino Chiwenga as part of their pre-deployment formalities. Earlier on Monday, they also met President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who briefed them on the government's expectations, particularly around strengthening political cooperation, trade relations, and international engagement. According to the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Ambassador designated David Amadziripi will represent Zimbabwe in the US. Ambassador designate Love Mo Mazemo has been posted to South Africa. Ambassador designate Isaac Moyo serve in the United Arab Emirates. Do mamiro azvakaita mu Zimbabwe panguva ino nemapictures amuri kuona in the video. Tuzive mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuda comment section medu musana subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.